Hey everyone, my name is Himal. I'm a software designer and developer from my district production. In this video, we're going to cover how can I upload a WordPress post in a WordPress dashboard. To upload the post, you must have to log in a WordPress dashboard. Then click on hover on post and click on add new post. You'll find this kind of overview to upload the post. Here's the option where you need to upload the WordPress title and all of our content. Here. So I'm using Gemini for generating the dummy blog post article. So let's copy this. It's already ready here. So copy and paste it here. Let's just cut the titles and paste it the right place. Okay. The right sidebar you will find many more options for select the category, upload the picture image. So I'm uploading my picture image first. And there you can select the category also. Let's select WordPress category. If you want to add new category, you can create a new category also here. And then what more necessary things remain here. Okay, so let's say you want to add any more image in the content. You just have to click here and press enter to find this kind of plus icon or add block icon. Then click here, and if you click on browser, you find lots of available images there. So we want to add an image, you just have to click on image object. Let's upload a dummy image here. Okay, I am uploading from my media option. Okay, this image. Okay, so if you want to put another video here in your blog article, same thing, you just have to click on this plus icon, click on YouTube or video, then just go and import a video from our channel. Just click on three dots and click on share, edit the URL, and paste the URL on here, and click on embed. And you can see video is successfully embedded here, and you will find lots of options in the same way. You will be able to add here. You just have to find out the correct widget, which one is you need. So I hope our post article is almost done and ready to publish. Let's click on publish, and click on view post. Or check this overview and final output. Okay, so here is the picture image of our blog article. Here's the title, here's the date, and then it's the information. There is the other than content, and here is the video as well. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. If you think this video is helpful, please like this video and hit the subscribe button.